Hello.
Hi,
Who are you?
I am a barber. I cut hair. I am vegetable seller. I sell vegetable.
What do you have?
Goat,
What is this?
ginger,
And this?
tomato,
This?
chili.
Who are you?
I am a doctor. I treat patients with medical conditions. Milk.
Who are you?
I am a milkman. I sell milk.
Milk no hoy, milk.
Milk. Flower.
Who are you?
I am a florist. I sell flower.
Who are you?
I am a dentist. I treat bad teeth. I am a pilot. I fly airplane.
Who are you?
I am engineer. I build roads and bridges. I am firefighter. I rescue people from fire.
Who are you?
I am a lawyer.
I advise people.
About law.
Who are you?
Hi.
Mm.
I am a carpenter. I
Make
make
wooden furniture.
wooden furniture. Letter.
Who are you?
Hi, I'm a postman. I bring letter.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who are you?
I'm a teacher. I teach at school.
Okay. Who are you?
I am a army officer. I fight for my country.
Mm. Who are you?
I am a scientist. I invent new machines.
এয়া 30টা প্ৰফেশ্যনৰ বিষয়ে লিখি দিছোঁ তোমালোকক বৰ্ডত তোমালোকে বহীত লিখি ল'বা প্ৰতিটো প্ৰফেশ্যনৰ বাবে দুটাকৈ বাক্য লিখি দিছোঁ সেইসমূহ তোমালোকে বহীত লিখি ল'বা আৰু সেইবোৰ কোৱা প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিবা তোমালোকে ধন্যবাদ